I was following along a bit with the sad case of the 16-year-old girl that went missing and the private company that found her car underwater. I went on that company's YouTube channel and watched some of their stuff, and one of their videos was how to get out of your car should you end up in a body of water. I've known for quite some time how to break these windows, and I have automatic center punches in my cars, but I think this little device might be a little better. So I ordered a 3-pack of these things, and I'm going to show you what not to do. When you open each of those packages, it comes with a tie wrap, a key ring, and something that a man does not look at or read. It is code, part of being a man, to not read instructions. Don't tell that to the women. So the first thing I did when I got this thing, I wasn't too sure how it works, so I took my thumb and I pushed very hard on this thing right here. And it worked. It did what it was supposed to do, and it nearly punctured my thumb. I don't think you can see it anymore. There was a blood blister right there. It's going away. It hurt quite a bit. I'm glad it didn't puncture the skin. Don't do that. Do not push this with your thumb. I might read the instructions now. Do not test on skin. Here's the residual effect of the damage done to my thumb. I'm going to be going to the hospital today. How do you use this thing? I watched their video. Suppose this was on a key ring. Pull it off. You have a blade here to cut your seat belt. They said don't cut straight through it, cut it at an angle. You'll have better results. I'll do a quick demo on this piece of wood. I can't do it on glass. By the way, I know a little bit about tempered glass. I worked at Atari Games on the production floor 100 years ago when we were building upright video games. And you can hit tempered glass with a hammer. It will not break. However, if you do something like this, suppose this is your car window, don't go to the center. Go to one of the corners, top corner, bottom corner, and this little guy, you're just going to do that. See that little tiny mark right there? That'll shatter your window, your tempered glass window. Not your windshield, but your side windows. Shall we do it again? See the little mark? I'll put another one inside there. That's it. Put this guy back on here. You're ready to go back in your next lake. This is my Prius. I just attached this thing to the rear view mirror. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep it there because this is going to drive me nuts. I'll probably find another place for it, but you need to put it somewhere where it's not going to disappear should you get in a crash. But bam. Let's try it. Let's not, but I would go here or up here in the corner to break that window. They said in the video the first 30 to 60 seconds are critical, so you need this thing where you can get to it and get to your window real fast. I just took the key ring off and re-tie wrapped it onto the mirror. Now it's not going to be flopping around. I think I can live with that. I tie wrapped the rear view mirror in the Prius, the rear view mirror in my daughter's Nissan, and I think for my pickup truck this will be the situation since I need to use a key to start the truck. I hope none of us ever have to use this thing. I guess I'll add this in here. Like I said earlier, they said if you need to use this seatbelt cutting tool, don't cut straight across like this. Cut at an angle like this. Apparently it'll bind up if you do it like this, so cut it at an angle.